Whilst our renovation is definitely cracking on at a fast pace, it's time for me to continue selecting our furniture and decor items. I'm off to Kave Home. Now they've got a great website, but being touchy-feely, I've decided to go in store. I'm looking for pieces that have texture, a nice use of vertical lines like I've used on the outside of our home as well as the inside. I can see some items already in their showroom that really catch my eye, but I've got to say, going upstairs, their outdoor range really got me excited. The two outdoor spaces in our home are very important, one to relax and one for dining, and I can see some great statement pieces that I know Sandro is going to love. And as for colour, well, I like to have a punch of colour. I'm looking to repeat that strong colour from our front doors, and maybe for the alfresco, these yellow chairs are going to be the perfect selection. When it comes to outdoor furniture, it's not just about beauty. It has to be outdoors. It has to be able to deal with all the things that Mother Nature throws at it, sunshine and rain. For our house, we want furniture that we can leave outside all the time. We just want furniture we don't have to worry about. And here I can see all of the pieces I'm looking at will allow me to do just that. So this is our alfresco, a beautiful space. We've actually had a bit of summer rain overnight. Great for the veggie garden and the fruit trees that are getting established. Not so great sometimes for people's outdoor furniture, but we don't have to care. In fact, this has been given a good clean. It's so hard wearing, perfect for this outdoor space. This table extends, and I couldn't love these chairs anymore. They were perfect for my take on that Palm Springs vibe. I also grabbed some lighting at the same time. These are so damn cute. They come in a range of colors, but I got this mustard to match the chairs. They can hang, they're perfect for the dining table to take outside. They've been a big hit at some of our barbecues already. I couldn't be happier with the whole experience at Kave, from the team that we got to work with to the deliverables and the great range that we got to select from for inside and out.